Kia Starmer unlong Prime Minister lani umatirang badu Thymmai jongkari bilang kini kalong hadian baka parti jong ko Labour Party kala jokpon aka election kamlalong menin kasngi hapok Great Britain. Dakni ka jingjab ka Labour Party kana phai biang hakabor hadian kembak khasan senam balasan sya daga Conservative Party. Kini ka jingjab ka Labour Party kapan kotru ya ka Jinglong Prime Minister jong Rishi Sunak ulay banbat ya ka kamati ng badu dang hakni ka senam ka baladab. Ustama ubalah ndruh senam ka arta ude ulaya ba ulaya ru ya ka naidhut naga Im Elizabeth bandat kada lakhad usar Kia Starmer. Nadu kini kisi syaban ke election ki exit poll ni ki pala pathai ka boy kala penpa ba ka Labour Party kan jokpot akan di election haka jingya ji sikit khat jaka yung ba thaw an ka badan ndrus pa san phongot kit khat bat kila predict lan kila bo lupa ba ka Labour Party kan job palat house pa ngot ki MP po parliament. Kilat khabon na po Great Britain ki athu baka jingjab jaka Labour Party ka di ka jing phai biang ki pai ba nang sang jaka India ki pasang ki pasa apo ribilat haba kila penpau baka jit no ya ka Labour Party nambar baka Conservative Party kala khanyat ben ki babon ki pai ba nang sang lamba ki khajana bat ki pat ki kam persya ya ki pai ba nang sang wa shua ban yo ya ki voru na kalyang jong Rishi Sunak bari try na po ari India ula penpau lupa po unsa aram hakan election bar ulai khublai ya Ustama hano kani kajing jam jong ka Labour Party. Ustama ha kajing ai khublai jong hadian bala job ka Labour Party ula penpau ka sokman ba ula ong ba ki pai ba nang sang jong ka ribilat kila yo biang ila ka jong kari hadian kembak khat saw khat san snem ula penpau ru ba kani kajing kela kalawan ha kari ka jong ba lu khat ya ki pai ba ya ka jam tailang nagamta kani kajing job ba kajing kela sakalawai ka basal.
And now it has arrived. Change begins now. And it feels good, I have to be honest. 4.5 years of work changing the party. This is what it is for. A changed Labour Party, ready to serve our country, ready to restore Britain to the service of working people. And across our country, people will be waking up to the news, relieved that a weight has been lifted, a burden finally removed from the shoulders of this great nation. And now, we can look forward again, walk into the morning, the sunlight of hope, pale at first, but getting stronger through the day, shining once again on a country with the opportunity after 14 years to get its future back. And I want to thank each and every one of you here for campaigning so hard for change. And not just in this campaign either. Also for these 4.5 years changing our party. The Labour movement is always everything's achieved, past and future, down to the efforts of its people. So thank you truly. You have changed our country.